Yo, it is, because now last year I went for my first trials for under 23 national team. I got in. We traveled, went to Libya, Egypt, and then last year around June again we went for World Championships in Brazil. Before that we did African qualifiers to qualify for World Championships in Brazil. So it was like African countries, Egypt, Libya, Congo, means about Kenya.
Musona yana Oscar Pistorius,
no. So basically tournament it was held like Joburg in Mindeville Sports Center lapha. To qualify we went to win tournament, been the all-star player of the tournament. Then we qualified for World Championships under 23 Brazil.
Okay.